Hey guys, it's TechGrant here. In today's video, I'll teach you how to make an easy keyboard cam with this mounting kit right here with your iPhone or a C920. Let's jump right into this. First thing you want to do with this kit is pretty straightforward. You want to actually mount it somewhere where it makes sense. For me, I mount it on the side of my monitor because I don't use that spacing while I work on screen for Photoshop or any of my programs, and I'm all good to go. Now, you can mount it somewhere else where it makes sense for you, and then we get on the next step. Next step is, of course, picking your device of choice. So, for webcams and all that stuff will be easy because all you have to do is plug it on in, put it into OBS, and then say as a signal, and then point the camera downward like so for where you want to have your keyboard and mouse cam. And then of course you can figure out and make it look a little more clean by cropping it in the actual OBS, which is cool. Now, if you were doing this iPhone, this gets a little bit more complicated. For iPhone, you can either do a lightning to HDMI to a capture card that has a direct signal, and then in OBS and all the cropping and stuff like that. And then if you want to do it by Bluetooth, you can actually use the Elgato ScreenLink software and add it as a source. So basically what you do is you go into your OBS, you would add the ScreenLink software, of course, like that, and then you just scan this QR code to your device of choice, which would be your phone on the app, and on the app then you add your phone. Then of course you can just start it up by clicking the button right here, and when you click this button, oh, give me a second, it's being weird. Now, like I was saying, you just click the button right here, and of course you'd say accept, and after that you click the bit rate you want. I click the low bit rate because we're not using this but a keyboard cam, so I did 1920 by 1080, 6 megabits, and then you just click start, and of course only your screen. And once you've done that, it will send a signal to your computer to pick up, and then bang, you got the app to work on your phone. So that's a Bluetooth signal if you just want to do that, and that's like free version basically. The only thing you have to pay for is the app upgrade for $5, but it's a one-time payment. Highly recommend. And then after that, you can do your Android device or Samsung devices, and I don't have a direct app for you guys to go to use. However, I can tell you if you do a USB-C to HDMI to a capture card and has a direct signal in the OBS, you can crop it there. And then of course, once you have this all set to go, you can go live and you'll have a nice looking keyboard cam for your streams. And of course you can just move your keyboard around however you want, and also you can readjust this if you need to for any reason. Maybe you moved it one bit, you need to move it again, you can always just simply fix it with ease. And that is how you set up a keyboard cam with your iPhone, Samsung device, or Logitech C920. Don't forget, this kit will be linked down below just in case you want to go snag it off Amazon for yourself. It's like $15. I think it's at $16 right now, so highly recommend you check it out. Of course, I do have a full unboxing video right here if you're going to watch that for more information on it. And of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure to smash the like button, get subscribed, and don't forget to check us on Twitch if you want to ask me any more questions about this. I stream there, of course, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. There'll be a link down below to our Twitch channel, and I'll see you guys for another tech video. TechGrant out.